Maria was sitting at her small desk in a quiet apartment in Lagos. The fan buzzed above her head. It was hot, but Maria's mind was somewhere else. She had just returned from another long day at work. Her boss had offered a promotion, but only if she could attend client meetings in English. Maria froze when he said that. English? She could write it, read it, but speak it? That was another story. For years, Maria avoided speaking English. She thought she wasn't smart enough. Her classmates laughed at her pronunciation. Even at church, she stayed quiet when others spoke up. But now, this promotion was a real opportunity. More money, better hours, and maybe even a chance to travel. Still, Maria hesitated. What if I fail? She whispered to herself that night. A few days later, while scrolling through her phone, Maria saw a video. It was a woman, just like her, sharing how she learned English in 6 months by watching stories on YouTube and practicing for 30 minutes a day. The woman said, "Learning English changed my life." Maria paused the video and stared at the screen. Maybe, she thought, it can change mine too. That night, Maria made a choice. She was going to learn English. Every day, no matter what. The first week was hard. Maria didn't understand most of what she heard. Her accent felt strange in her mouth. Her younger brother laughed at her. "You sound like Google Translate," he joked. But Maria didn't stop. She watched one story a day on YouTube. She repeated every sentence out loud. She kept a notebook of new words. At night, she listened to English podcasts while washing dishes. One day, she joined a small online group for English learners. That's where she met Jane, a teacher from the UK who offered to correct her pronunciation. Jane told her, "Maria, your English is better than you think. Don't aim for perfect. Aim for progress." Those words changed something in Maria. By month 3, Maria was speaking more confidently. She could understand her English-speaking customers better. One even complimented her. "Your English is really improving," they said. Maria smiled all day after that. She started writing short stories in English, even recorded herself reading them. 6 months later, Maria's boss asked her to join a team meeting with international clients. Her hands were shaking. Her palms were sweaty. But she went. She introduced herself in clear, slow English. She explained the project. She asked questions. She even cracked a small joke, and they laughed. When the call ended, her boss clapped and said, "Great job, Maria. I'm proud of you." Maria couldn't believe it. She had done it. 2 years later, Maria is now the regional sales lead. She travels to conferences in Kenya, South Africa, and even the UK. She gives presentations in English. She mentors others. But it all started with one choice, the decision to learn English, even when it was hard. This can be your story too. Are you feeling frustrated about learning English? Are people laughing at you? Have you been trying, but it's just not working? Don't give up. Learning a new language is like planting a seed. You don't see results in one day. But in 5 years, it can grow into something beautiful. So make the choice today. Your future self will thank you. Now, let's see how much you remember from Maria's story. Are you ready? Grab a pen, or just think about the answers. Let's test your understanding. 1. Why did Maria decide to learn English? A. She wanted to study abroad. B. She wanted to impress her friends. C. She needed it for a promotion at work. The answer is C. 2. Who helped Maria improve her pronunciation? A. Her brother. B. Jane, an online teacher.
C. Her boss.
The answer is B. 3. What did Maria do every night to learn English? A. Watched cartoons. B. Listened to English podcasts. C. Practiced with her friend. The answer is B. Fill in the gaps. 4. Maria started learning English after watching a video on _. The answer is YouTube. 5. At the meeting, Maria even made A __ and people laughed. The answer is a joke. 6. What is one thing you will do today to improve your English? Write your answers in the comments. Thank you so much for watching today's English story. I hope Maria's journey inspired you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring English stories every week. Keep learning. Keep growing. See you in the next video.